I've been asking you to leave me alone. I've moved on and everything. The other day, you even went to my ex-boyfriend and pointed him with a gun, Lebogang. I told you that it's over.
Wena ngathi nguTompo uphatha isibhamu for abafazi and it's not okay.
Ngiphatha isibhamu.
Yeah.
Uwasibona yini? Ye done gesien.
Oh, so ufuna ukumshaya.
Man.
Ufuna ukumshaya. Oh, ufuna umbetha.
Ngandela amadoda akho wani.
Wena why wenza lento?
Khani after your man.
Okay, why? Search him, Mr. Jones. He doesn't have a gun there. Lesibhamu nazo semthethweni mhlawumbe. Ngeke sive ngawe wena. Uyinkabi le banganini bakho hayi la kuthini. Please ngicela ningene la bafethu. Ngeke hayi mphakamiseni lo. Sifuna ukuchecka le ibhamu ezilapha endlini ukuthi semthethweni na. Molweni mandizibulise lapho kuni nonke emakhaya elami igama LAVAWS pronounce lava sinkomkani abandaziyo banibiza ngoMr Nzokulayita Mshanama. Well guys, namhlanje sibhalele ngumama lana. Umama uthi unengxaki ne-ex-boyfriend yakhe and Londo imphathi kahle wa decide ukuthi Jozi Bioscope ngisacela bafethu nikhawuleze nifike nizoninceda. My sister kunjani?
I'm fine, thanks, you.
I'm okay, mama. Can you please tell us what your name is and why we are here as Jozi Bioscope?
Oh, okay, my name is Heather. I called Jozi Bioscope because I was dating this guy. His name is Lebogang, best known in the Kasi as Shesh. We're dating for like a very long time, but finally I left him. The reason why I left him is because he's a skebengo man, he's stealing cars, he's smoking, he's like, you know. So, okay, fine, I've moved on with my life, but he did not move on with his life, right? But every time when he finds me, wherever he finds me, he will like, I'm even scared to go out to the shop because I might be seeing him. And then he'll stop me and threaten me. I can't even go to work because the taxis is not far from his house.
Oh.
So he will stop me there. Every guy that he sees me, or even hear from the people in the Kasi, that we saw Heather with when he goes and threatens them. He even comes to my house like late at night, banging, knocking on the door and things. And I've moved on with my life. The current boyfriend that I have right now, he was even threatening him with a gun and things.
Oh.
So I really need help, guys, because I even like open a case against him. Tololo, he doesn't even come to get arrested, nothing. They just keep on telling you, no, it is domestic violence and we have to sort it out. Once they even picked us up, we went and they drove off with us, Viking, whatever. After they dropped us down again.
And they said, yeah, you guys
we all must go and fix these things. And he's been beating me and things. That's why I left him. No. And now it's even harder because now I am a grown woman, and and I have grown kids. I cannot keep on continuing with a guy like this. You understand?
No, I understand you, Mama. Did you try? You said you tried to confront him before.
Many a times I've tried to confront him. Many a times. I even tried to sit him down and say, like, listen, you're like grown-ups. Let's sit down. Let's sort this thing out.
Move on with
Please
your
move
life,
on with his life. He keep on telling me that no one else will have me unless he has me.
No, he can't control you because he's not the one that created you. He's not the one that brought you into this earth. You have your own life to live. You loved him that time. So he needs to accept that as a grown-up person.
He doesn't want to accept that it's over.
So how far is it from here?
It's just down the road, but we can go.
Or we can walk?
Show you.
Okay, Mr. Jones, Mr. Plexina, let's go, Chance. No, I'm trying to understand. You don't have any kids with
We don't have kids together. We've been together for a long time. But we don't have kids together. No. I have my own kids. He has his own kids.
I'm just glad you didn't give birth for him. Well, you didn't give him any
child. That would have been a big problem.
Yeah, that would have been a big mistake, Mama, because I'm sure he was going to keep on controlling you even more because the fact that you have a kid with him. No, I don't worry, Mama. We will do everything on our powers.
Please, guys, to make sure. Just try and just talk some sense into his head. That's all I want. You understand? Let him understand. Oh, it's here. The house is here.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah. It's
okay.
Here.
No, let's go inside. All we want is that he understands.
He must understand that it's over. It's over.
He must accept as well. No, Mr. Jones, after you, my good say, these Nkabis. I don't want them
and
to.
Please, guys, you must be careful because he's very violent.
Oh, which side are we going?
I think it's the side.
Okay. No, so does he stay alone in this house?
Yes, he does.
Yes.
Does stay alone.
Oh, so he has committed some crimes before and he didn't get arrested?
Yes, that's how he rolls, That's our rules. You never get.
Hey, mama. I just wish I can see him.
You don't get food.
Coco, knock knock. Oh, sure, my brother.
Shapu njani?
Mshapu kanjani mfowethu?
Nje?
Sure bhuti.
Kambani bafethu? Naqala ijariti lami nje ngingazi kwenzakalani. Bathatani nje.
Ek bly dan sê Lebogang, wat moet jy nou gemaak het?
Nou jy bring camera sa in my jarden.
As jy van cameras bring by Lebogang, jy wil my dan nie uitlos.
Ek met jou cameras.
No, mfethu.
Kom jy terug kom by my kom sê my.
Okay,
Laat ons
sikom.
sit en praat.
Hoeveel keer try ek om met jou te praat? How many times? Huh?
Okay,
So what?
Mara,
Maar cops can't help me.
We
So
are
what
here
must I
to
do?
prat wena njayami if ufuna
What must I
ukuprata.
do?
We are here to prat with you
Met wat?
about
What is the
usisi.
problem?
Die problem is jy.
Yeah, ngicela
You know
umtshele.
you the problem.
Please tell him why we are here and what he needs to do.
Lebogang, the only reason I call these people is because I don't know what to do anymore. Right? I've been asking you to leave me alone. I've moved on and everything. The other day you even went to my ex-boyfriend and pointed him with a gun, Lebogang. I told you that it's over. Please accept that it's over, but you don't want to accept. And then you become violent like this. And then you hit on me. I can't even go to work anymore, Lebogang. Lebogang, I can't even fight.
Nou jy roep cameras vir my.
Yeah, angithi wena
Nee man.
angithi wena king yami wena ngathi ngutompo uphatha isibhamu for abafazi and it's not okay.
Ngiphatha isibhamu.
Yeah.
Ukuwasibona yini? Jy the gun gesien.
He told me, Lebogang. He came in there, Lebogang, and he told me what you did. He told me what you did.
What?
And every time when you meet him, when you all are drinking, you're also the one starting problems with him.
Man.
Uyazibona ke
Manje
Mr Jones amphakamise lo.
Where is it?
Amphakamise.
That's how we
Put him down. Say, why are you fighting?
Sinje.
Why are you fighting?
Sinje.
Ulwelani ke?
Ngesihlani.
Oh,
Esihlani.
oh, so kushuthi manje iklani yithi labo. Yithi wo Popeye.
Bring the bouncers by me from.
Yeah, because uyalwa. Why are you fighting?
Ngiyeke but.
Ucabanga onathi uzosidubula mhlawumbe uzostrethena ngesibhamu nathi mawucabanga.
Hayi angitubuli man, uyangibhedela lo.
Uyakubhedela manje makubhedela kumele ufune ukumshaya.
Leave me alone.
Yile nto
Lebogang.
isho.
Leave me alone. That's all I'm asking. Leave me alone. Let me continue with my life. I can't keep on going on like this for you. No,
No, you can't vele, you can't. You can't. Lebogang why wenza kanje wena?
Loving like this just because of
Yeke
you.
ukhiphe ngeke man.
Manje oh, so ufuna ukumshaya.
Ngiyabanga, man.
Ufuna ukumshaya. Oh, ufuna umbetha.
Ngandela amadoda akho wani.
Wena why wenza lento?
Khani after your man.
Okay, why are you after her? Ilento esifuna uyazi. Why ungamshiyi uhlukane naye? Ukolota ini? Mhlawumbe.
What do I owe you in actual fact?
Yeah.
What do I owe you? Because why you know, I told you, I giving you all the chances. How many chances did I give you?
Until you
How
gave
many
up.
chances did I give you until I left you? I didn't just leave you and go to another man. I left you. After a long time, I started a new relationship. Lebogang, this is not working for me.
And it's not working and it's not gonna work. You can't be pointing abantu bakhe ngezibhamu balelami. Why uhluleka ukushela mhlawumbe wena usakwazi ukushela?
Cha mfethu sineminyaka nalomuntu lona.
So-
Ngimenzele yonke into.
So manje neminyaka ufuna ukwenzani kanti ngathi ufuna Mr Jones ba put him down. You think with why are you kidding with us? Put him down. Mfake phansi. Put him down. Put him down. Put him down. Put him down. Why are you like this? Why wenza? Ayongazosikhaba thina. Why ungazosikhaba? Yini ufuna ukulwa mhlawumbe? Ufuna ukulwa? Mbekeni phansi Blexina. Mbekeni phansi lo uyasibhedela. Yini ufuna ukusilwisa nathi? Search him Mr Jones. He doesn't have a gun there.
Uye lo muntu lona man. Ngiyeke man.
He doesn't have.
Asseblief tog
Yini? Ucabanga usenzani
mhlawumbe?
mhlawumbe?
Vir Aldini. As jy nodig vir Aldini, hoekom moet jy so aangaan?
Ja.
Jy nie net aanvaar om te
Hoekom my brother? Hoekom you do what she say?
Sê die mense moet my los man.
Oh, they must leave you alone now.
No.
Why you abuse abantu besifazane? Lesibhamu nazo semthethweni mhlawumbe.
Asseblief ek vra.
Wa ungena apho na lapho.
Ngingena eminyango nje yami. Ngingena eminyango nofuna ngene ba.
Sibhame ke tiyagane ke.
Oh, unani uba threatena ngani lamachita?
Nou hoekom threaten jy my? Elke keer hoekom ek kan nie eens weer toe gaan nie, ek moet so omloop want because why Lebogang gaan my sien.
You see what I'm saying?
Hayi she.
Shoot manje abantu bele bephile in fear. Please lift him up Mr Jones. Lift him. Angeke sive ngawe wena. Uyinkabi le banganini bakho hayila kuthini.
Ja maar jy moet gekom by my laat ons sit en praat van die ding.
They can't sit and prat because when you are a threat.
So aan Lebogang as niemand wil my te defend nie.
Ja.
Dan moet ek vir hulle gebel.
Moenie prat fokol la wena
Die
man.
mense. backup samedicare
i-backup thina sithi
All I
backup
want is for you to
Yini?
understand.
yini nithandana naye
asithandani naye sinceda yena ukuthi wena uhlukane naye my brother awuyiva lento
Asibelieve Lebogang,
Sizokuxelela.
you asibelieve.
and uyakucela cabanga kumele kucele for i-peace yakhe for i-happiness yakhe sizokucela wena ukuthi uhlukane nempilo yakhe
after all goed wat ek het doen for you
what uyenzeni ngoba wenza umthreatenile and umhethile
Lebogang, we had what we had. Okay, fine, you did everything for me, Lebogang. But still, you know what is the reasons why we broke up. But
That's-
now you don't want to let me go.
does she owe you anything mhlambe
hayi into ankolota yona
manje wayumlandelela awusakwazi ukushela wena uthola amanye amantombazana ngaphandle
wangekisa umuntu wami lo muntu lona
kanjani mhlawumbe ngoba wena wamthanda
wathanda girlfriend yami ngithathe yena
awurelax la wena awurelax ngeke sive ngawe
Yeah, man.
sisi no
Yeah.
wait relax sisi come here don't worry sisi we are here for you don't worry please tell him whatever that you want to tell him why you wrote to us and what you want him to do from now on.
Okay. What I want, Lebogang, I told you that I don't want to be your enemy.
Yes.
I want us to separate like grown-ups. You understand? I want you to leave me alone. Let me continue with my life. You also continue with your life, Lebogang. I'm not your life. I keep on telling you that. Yes. You see?
Why usondela my brother yini uyakhuluma usisi why
iyangikwatisa lento ayishoyo
So, my kwatisa-
nar man jy maak my nar
so if she makes you nar what do you want to do now?
Los my af wat ek jou vra is dit so bad. Dit om my uit te los dat ek aangaan met my lewe.
Yeah.
Huh? Laat ek net aangaan
Dat
met my
had
lewe.
to
Dis
understand
al.
that
Is dit so hard om net uit te doen? Huh?
Is it
As
that-
harti mara ni sioni met cameras iso die bouncers
Yeah, the cameras is the best way to go nje yamangithi
because
wena
I
you are a
can't speak
threat.
to you like in person.
Yes.
I can't speak to you in person.
Muni point here my brother muni point here why umpointa manje
All I'm
umpointela yini
asking
ufuna ukulu
Lebogang is just please leave me alone. Continue with your life. I want to continue with mine.
come on now.
We both need to be happy. We deserve happiness, the both of us. We can't be making each other's life miserable like this.
Come on now.
Please, let's just be grown-ups.
nee gaan aan
Please, Lebogang.
gaan aan met jou lewe gaan aan
So manje yini umxosha kanje uzokwenzani usazomlandelela futhi ilento
hayi uzozibona phumani la ejaridini lami kanje le 8
oh jele 8 caba mara lento esikhulumayo uyivile caba ingenile la emqondweni wakho mhlawumbe
ja ek het hom gehoor hy het gesê ek moet hom los hy wil om lewe
manje yini
Makisaki.
wawubowulwa wena ulwelani kahle kahle yini le kulwisayo
hayi
Uhluleka ukushare.
ngikushela nama-camera lana man
oh mara uhluleka ukushela nawe wayelokubuloku umlandelela wena Brian ilento ngiyazi
hayi ukuthi ngihluleka ukushela man
uyivile lento ikhulumayo it sink in your head ukuthi uthini my sister ukuthi ufuna ini
ya ngimzwile ukuthi ngimiyeke ngihlukane naye yena ufuna ukuphila impilo yakhe ngikele umlandelela nalamadodanyana wakhe
ngamadodanyana kusengamadodanyana nje yama kusengamadodanyana bathanda yena nibathanda ungabizi enye indoda ngendodanyana ngoba wena akakubizi ngendodanyana uke wathi lebo hanginyana makefika la uke washo kanjalo mhlawumbe
aha
manje wena waye even namanje phela lawo magama wakhulumayo shows ukuthi awuzimiselanga nje ukuthi uyenza into egrand
hayi ngiyamkhulula
enye into engifuna uyazi ukuthi le ibhamu zakho nazo la endlini othreathena ngazo abantu semthethweni
hayi lokho awungeni indawo
mina ngiyangena nje ngoba vele ngiyabona ukuthi uyi-threat wena to the community. Mr Jones, please get inside here Plexina. Please ngicela ningene bafethu nisearch yonke le ndlu le. Plexina, please ngicela ningene la bafethu. Yes. Hayi mphakamiseni lo. Sifuna ukuchecka le ibhamu ezilapha endlini ukuthi zisemthethweni na. Please, ngazodlala ngathi lo. No, asifuni ngazodlala ngathi. Wayedlala ngathi. No, angithi you are sure he has a gun.
Yes.
Yeah, now we know.
That is what-
All we want is to be fair.
Okay.
Asithathe le whatever that's the bafethu deal with him Mr Jones lapho ngaphakathi. Deal with him. Whatever you get that's not into engekho emthethweni niphume nayo. Ngazosidelela lo. Mama ngiyacela please what we
Okay,
going
you see what I'm dealing with?
what we going to do now?
This is what I'm dealing
It's
with.
simple what we going to do now because I know you can agree in front of us that he is going to
exactly.
stop whatever he's doing but he's lying. So it's the best way can we go to the police station from here?
Yes.
And then
Definitely.
please let's go and open a protection order against him so that just in case if ever he does come close by you please call us first.
Yes.
Don't before you call the unless you're gonna open the protection order, call us first. We're gonna come take him straight to the police station.
Maybe they will open the protection order if you all are there because I've tried many times.
No, they will.
They don't want to.
No, they
allow
will.
me.
Just in case if maybe he's buying someone there
Yeah,
and then
I
just to
think so.
no, that needs to stop, Mama. That's why Joseph Bioscope is here to fix the country because we can't allow these things to keep on going. We can't allow this. Guys, ngoba Mr. Jones basabhizi la ngaphakathi basasearch ukuthi my brother mhlawumbe unako lokho usithathe wasifihla somewhere but sizoyithola we get to the bottom of this. Into besizele ukuthi soncede usisi mara siya understand manje into soyenza sothatha usisi siye le police station siyovula i-protection order for lo mjida lo ngoba ngiyabona nje ukuthi into yamuva naye masifika i-attitude onayo. Oh yes something.
Ningekeni man. Ningekeni.
Okay, mamela la my brother because I think uthi Mr. Jones uyifihlile lento yakho and ngiyazi thina sokutshela la manje sithatha usisi siyomvulele i-protection order against you. If ever nje yami wasondela eduze kwakhe uzozibona ukuthi ubani. And manje ngabe khona labantu ocabanga ukuthi uzobathenga abangamapolice whatsoever ayisekho indaba yakho because the moment usondela eduze kwakhe abantu bakuqala abazosondela sithi uyayi-understand leyo nto does it sink in your head?
Anyaniso.
Uyasiva kakuhle.
Nyaniso. Ekuworry.
Oh, uyangiva kakuhle. Uyabona ukuthi akunamoya and akunethi.
Yeah.
Ngiyacela leyo nto isinke.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maar ik ga nog steeds protection order gaan uitdaging.
Yes.
Ik ga nog steeds gaan samen met de police toe.
Thank
Want
you.
because why je kan nou voor alles zo zeggen en dan net toe aan je weer hebben met hier. So ik ga nog steeds police toe.
Come
Just
on.
to let you know.
Yeah, just so that you know nje yami.
Yes,
Waphinda balela mosondela duze kwakhe. Ngiyakuxelela Brian bona ukuthi izinto zoba grand for wena. And isazo investigate le ndaba yakho futhi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngale ibhama. Just know that. Angifake ndli put him inside the car the lantuka. Yeah, leave him there. Yes son. Yeah, ungazodlala ngathi wena ucanga siyadlala la. Please. Next time guys, ngoba niyabona into esiyenzayo manje ukuthi siya travel nosisi, we are going to the police station guys, siyomvulela i-protection order.